Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, please subscribe my channel. Pindaja Pravararudha Chandakopashra Kaidyuta Prasadam Tanute Mahyam Chandraganteti Vishruta Ma Chandraganta. Chandraganta is the third form of goddess Durga. Her name Chandraganta. Chandraganta means one who has half moon shaped like bell. Her third eye is always open and she always ready for war against demons. She is also known as Chandrakada and Chandrika Ranchandi. Her worship takes place on third day of Navaratri. She is believed to reward people with her grace, bravery and courage. By her grace, all the signs, distresses, physical sufferings and mental tribulations, ghostly hurdles of the devotees are eradicated. Actually, after she gave Parvati his word that he would not marry any woman, her sufferings overwhelmed him so much of he gave a followed a tearful reunion and then agrees to marry her. Soon the joyous moment of Parvati life comes. Shiva brings a procession of gods, mortals, goats, cows, goblins, sages, ascetics and agoris and Shivaghanas to the gates of King of Himavant's palace to take away his bride Parvati. On the occasion of his remarriage, Shiva arrives at King Himavant palace in a terrorizing form and Parvati mother Mainavati Devi faints in the terror. Parvati appears to Shiva and sees his fearsome form. So, to save her parents and other family members, she transforms herself into goddess Chandraganta. Chandraganta persuaded Shiva to reappear in charming form. On listening to the goddess, Shiva appears as a prince decorated with countless jewels. Parvati revived her mother, father and friends. Then Shiva and Parvati get married and made promise to one another. Chandraganta Ma has 10 hands, where 2 hands hold a Trishula, Khada, Khadak and Kamala, Kanta, Kamandala, while one of her hands remains in blessings posture of Abhaya Mudra. She rides on a tiger as her vehicle, which represents bravery and courage. She wears a half moon on her forehead and has a third eye in the middle of forehead. Her complexion is golden. Shiva sees Chandraganta's form as a great example of beauty, charm and grace. Chandraganta rides a tiger or lion as her vehicle, representative bravery. This is terrible aspect of roaring in anger. This form of Durga is not completely different from earlier forms. It shows that when provoked, she can be malevolent. Her malevolent form is said to be Chandi or Chamunda Devi. She is otherwise very embodiment and serenity. The devotees who adore and worship Chandraganta develop an aura of divine splendor. Their persons emit invisible power waves which exercise a great impact on those who come in contact with them. They easily achieve success in life. Chandraganta is ready to destroy the wicked, but to her devotees, she is a kind of compassionate mother showing peace and prosperity. During the battle between her and the demons, the horrible sound produced by her bell sent thousands of wicked demons to the abode the dead. She is ever in a wearing posture which shows her eagerness to destroy the foes of her devotees so that they may live in peace and prosperity. Divine vision is acquired by her grace. If a devotee happens to enjoy divine fragrance, and Eos diverse sounds is said to be blessed by the mother.